Alright, I'm at 6984 Babbling Brook Drive in Rex, Georgia. Taking a look at a really cute 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Sits here in a quiet little subdivision. This home has a single car garage with a garage door opener. House is clean and ready to move into, with plenty of space. As we come through the front door, we have our formal living room here, with our stairs headed up to 3 of the bedrooms. Leads into our tiled kitchen. It's an eating kitchen with plenty of cabinet space. Off the kitchen is our garage. And the garage is extra long, so there is plenty of storage space at the back. A little work area set up. As we'll peek out into the backyard. So we've got a nice sized deck. Nice big open backyard with a second patio here. Heading off the kitchen, gonna be our large family room. This room is extra long, with our fireplace and the sliding glass doors out to the backyard. We have one bedroom here with another door to the outside, our closet here in the corner, and then our doors to our utility closet. We have our washer and dryer connections in here. Rest of the bedrooms are upstairs. As we head up the stairs, directly to our left at the top, this is going to be our first full bathroom with a tile floor. Opposite of that, so coming right off the stairs, is going to be the smallest of all our bedrooms. This one is probably 10 by 11, but has a very deep, nice sized closet. Second bedroom, good bit bigger, about 12 by 12, again with a nice sized closet. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans in them. And then our master. Master is going to be about 16 by 18, so plenty of size even for a king size bed. And then our master with our shower and our vanity, a large mirror. It's going to make a nice home for someone. If this looks like the right home for you, please give us a call. We'd love to set up an appointment to show it to you in person. If this is not exactly what you had in mind, please check out the other properties we have available at our website at rentfrombravo.com. Thanks.